In this video, we'll show you how to use Qwen AI to generate a professional HR analytics dashboard. You need is the data. With just one click, including the dashboard, pivot tables, and a refresh dashboard button, we'll be ready. Sounds crazy, right? Let's get started. As you can see, this is an HR analysis dataset with a total of 988 records. We've already provided a ready-made button for you. If you need this dataset, you can download it using the link in the video description. Just follow this tutorial step by step. Now, open Google and search for Qwen Studio. Click the first official website. If this is your first time using Qwen Studio, click Sign Up. Then select Continue with Google and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Qwen Studio homepage. Go to Settings. If any model other than Auto is selected, now let's copy the prompt. If you need the prompt, you can download it from the link in the video description. After copying the prompt, paste it into Qwen Studio and click Submit. Within a few minutes, Qwen Studio will generate the complete HR analysis dashboard VBA code. Once the generation is complete, you'll see the HR dashboard VBA code listed on the left side. Copy the entire VBA code. Now open Excel and press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Click the Insert tab and select Module. Rename the module to Dashboard. Paste the VBA code into the module. Once you've pasted the code, press Alt plus F4 to close the VBA editor. Now right-click the button in Excel and select Assign Macro. You'll see two macros. Select Create HR Dashboard and click OK. At the moment, we only have the data sheet. Let's click the button and see what happens. Nice! With just one click, the dashboard and pivot sheets are created automatically. Now let's check whether the dashboard is fully dynamic. Perfect! Everything updates dynamically. Next, let's test the Refresh Dashboard button. If it doesn't work for you, simply right-click the button, choose Assign Macro, select Refresh Dashboard Data, and click OK. Now it will work correctly. Whenever you add new records to your dataset, just click the Refresh Dashboard button, and all the new data will be updated automatically. Now let's open the pivot sheet. Great! All the pivot tables are properly formatted, aligned, and ready to use. A total of 11 pivot tables have been created automatically. Just look at how quickly Qwen Studio built this complete HR dashboard. We hope you got the same result. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.